A real drama unfolded in a Florida neighborhood. That evening, police began pursuing a popular athlete driving an expensive sports car. Suddenly, the young man jumped out of the car through the passenger door and ran toward a water treatment plant. On the riverbank, he decided to pause and consider what to do next. At that moment, a huge, dangerous reptile, an alligator, jumped out of the water. It bit the man several times on the arms and face. John experienced intense pain and nearly lost consciousness. But suddenly, he noticed an axe nearby. Gathering all his strength, he struck the alligator on the head, and it let go. Running on, the man lost a lot of blood and eventually collapsed right next to the road. Passing police officers spotted him and called an ambulance. At the hospital, he underwent complex surgery. They stitched up his wounds and put his arms in casts. His condition has now stabilized and he is in intensive care. It was later revealed that the reason for his escape was an expired driver's license, and his attempt to evade police proved risky. John faces criminal charges for resisting police, speeding, driving without a license, and escaping. The alligator, however, still lives in the pond, swimming peacefully and could become a danger to others at any moment.